Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete accounts on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will go down until you find this window of Tinder and you can click here. After that, in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.